Hey guys, welcome back to the BFC where we go into the trenches of the trading world. I hope you guys are all having a good day. But listen, today I want to talk about opportunity because if you're not looking at Qind right now, you might just be sleeping on one of the best OTC setups in the OTC. Did he just say that? Yeah, I just said that. I know some of you are still licking your wounds after that deal with ASNS fell through, but let me tell you something. Hard times create opportunity, and Qind is looking like it's about to flip the script. And honestly, this rebound is looking me right in the face, and I want to share it with you because I'm very excited about what's about to happen. Look, we've all been there. A deal falls apart, the stock gets hammered, and suddenly people are jumping ship. They're freaking out and losing their minds. And I understand that. Sometimes that takes over the market. But that's where the winners double down on the due diligence and their conviction and double down on buying. So while the masses are panicking, smart money gets to work. And this isn't the time to run away. It's the time to dig in. So you have to ask yourself, are you ready to dig in? All right. Qind just hit a point in the market that basically handed it to you on a silver platter, discounted, undervalued, and it's begging for your attention because people are only seeing the short-term pain, not the long-term potential. And let me be crystal clear about this. All right. I'm not flip-flopping. I haven't flip-flopped. I am sharing my conviction with you, and I've always been 100% transparent. I see the long-term potential in Qind and in SAML as well. And I'm talking about the Ilus conglomerate right now. So listen, this isn't about hoping for a rebound. This is about recognizing the rebound. You got to recognize that rebound. And I've recognized it. Qind isn't just another OTC ticker that's just throwing a uplist out there. They're working their asses off for it. And clearly, we're not happy about what happened with ASNS, but we're moving forward. And I think they're moving forward too. They got a real vision. They got real operations. And they have another acquisition in the pipeline. I don't want you to forget that. They've mentioned that on the show. And they got a roadmap that points that directly to an uplist. And I think they're on the cusp of it. And let's take a look at the chart. I know some of you think I'm nuts, but you know what? Why not? Let's look at the chart. And I want to talk to you about where I see the opportunity here. Now, listen, back in the day, even when it was WSFT before the ticker change, this thing was just like pumping hard, and it was grooving along here in the 20 to 40 cent range. There was a lot of time to take small profits and opportunities, but I always liked it at 28 cents. This stock always liked it. I thought it was a really nice area to buy right about here. And you could always make some, you could have made some profits. I never actually bought this one when it was WSFT, and even after the name and ticker change. This thing went up to 65 cents. And since then, it came back down and it started doing that thing again, and then it just started downtrending. So we got to look at, all right, where's the opportunity here? Well, this is where I see the opportunity. So it started doing this channeling thing again, where it was like, 5.8 cents to about, 8 cents. And it was just boom. It's been bouncing. And then I saw the break of support right here. Boom. It crashed down here at 1.62 cents. And it just slowly bled down here. And this is about where I made my grab. I made it at 2.74 cents. I think it's a great entry. I think it's a stellar entry, to be honest with you, because it looks like now we're recognizing the rebound. I think this is rebounding, and I think they're going to make announcements soon in regards to what's going to happen with their uplist process. So I'm hoping to hear something in the next week or two. We're long overdue for that. We're long overdue for an explanation, but I think this is the rebound. I think this is where we're at. This is where I made my entry. I have 250,000 shares that I had purchased there. So now the next leg up, I think this could, if this gets past 8 and consolidates up there, especially with news, news trumps anything, so we'll see what happens there. But we could look at a complete reversal of this stock. This is great stuff. I'm looking at this. I'm super, 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 super bullish on Qind, especially if they have news. So, but let's talk about the uplist for a second, guys, because uplisting isn't some pipe dream here. All right, they've been laying the groundwork step by step, and I think the silence says a lot. And yeah, the ASNS deal didn't pan out, but guess what? That's part of the grind. Companies that survive these hits, they don't just survive; they're going to thrive. That's my personal opinion. Every big player, every successful person that you see, they've been around the ringer. You get knocked down, you get back up, and that's it. And that's what I'm seeing here. I'm seeing, boom, 162, the lowest. I made my entry. I'm seeing a reversal in the stock. The Qind, stock has bounced back, in my opinion. The rebound has started. And if you're sitting there waiting for some, magical moment to jump in, you're going to miss the train. This is when you buy, not when it's flying, not when everybody else is, FOMOing and screaming from the rooftops about it. It's now, when it's still beaten down, but starts showing signs of life. So when you see the shift before everybody else does, that's when you want to move in. And I see this happening right here. I'm glad I made that move. So I just wanted to share it with you guys. It's just, man, it's just this one's going to be exciting for me. But here's the thing. These stocks don't wait for you to feel comfortable, guys. They don't send you an open invitation. And by the time it's obvious, the easy money is already gone. We're in the easy money zone, is what I like to say. Right now, Qind is a classic example of hard times creating opportunity. It's the kind of setup where 6 months from now, you're going to say, man, I wish I bought Qind, or man, I'm glad I bought Qind. And trust me, you want to be in the second camp. That's my opinion. You got to do your own due diligence, guys. But let me just say this: the clock is ticking. The path to an uplist isn't just wishful thinking. It's a realistic goal that's closer than people realize. And when that hammer drops, when Qind gets the attention it deserves, it's going to be too late to grab it at these levels. So yeah, I'm bullish as hell. I'm having a great day today. But this is where the real traders make their moves when others hesitate. Hard times offer opportunity, folks. The question is, are you going to seize it, or are you going to sit on the sidelines and watch it pass you by? I mean, this is just me. I'm excited about this one. And I'm going to be releasing a couple other videos, in regards to some other stocks that I think are just about to, just take off, because I think that we're hey, bull market, right? Are we doing bull market now? Is that a thing? I don't know. Keep your head in the game, guys, and don't get distracted by the noise. Don't get distracted by the people that, their opinions go with whatever direction the wind does. That's the truth. I've always been consistent. I will always be honest with you guys. And so, listen, the Qind story, it's not over. This thing's about to explode. The question is, are you going to light the fuse? What's going to happen? You tell me. I don't know. We're going to see how the story gets written, and we'll see how this video ages. All right. I mean, that's it. I mean, I don't know. Like, let me know in the comments section what you think about Qind, what you think about the Ilus conglomerate. Are you bullish? Are you bearish? Are you doubling down on your position? What the hell's going on? I want you to tell me in the comments section. And but that's all I got. I hope you guys have an awesome day. Yeah, leave your comments down below. And remember, there is more that binds us than breaks us. Peace out, guys.